1st December 2023, the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, in collaboration with the National AIDS Control Organization, marked World AIDS Day at Polo Ground, Shillong. The occasion preceded the Red Ribbon Superstar Meghalaya icon with the theme, Let Communities Lead. The event holds significance in advocating for individuals affected by the virus and combating societal stigmatization. Cabinet Minister Polo Ground was present as the chief guest, and Frederick R. Kharkongor, the Commissioner and Secretary of Arts and Culture Department, attended as the guest of honor.
World AIDS Day, let community leads. From the doctors, DSS level, other doctors presented to kindly come forward, please, for the candlelight vigil. And now we move on to our targeted intervention project. All we wish to enjoy. Please put your hands together for RS and team for Mark Swat. And can we? Meghalaya AIDS Control Society for the last 2-3 years. In collaboration with them, they've supported us. So please put your hands together for the principal, please, and the college and team. Next up, can we have
Shillong, we still observe practices where we even share our meals together as neighbors. This is an inherent strength which we must build upon in a war against drugs and in a war against narcotics, and also the impact that this has had on the rise of HIV/AIDS in Meghalaya. It is very distressing to hear the statistics and to know that the prevalence of HIV/AIDS is well above the national average. But on a day like today, let us pledge to be difference makers. Let us pledge to remind ourselves that where a small mind sees problems, a strong mind sees opportunities. We can and we shall overcome.